Go to the event page. Select Add New Event, LITE Event. Choose the Lucky Draw layout and insert Lucky Draw information. Toggle on or off in the selected field to apply or not on the draw session. Click Preview Layout to view the set layout. Select Event Time Zone before proceed to Next. Add prize information for the event. Click Add Prize to add more prizes for the lucky draw. Insert participant names. Click to play the configured lucky draw session. Before the session, key in lucky draw session name. A how-to-use guide is showing on the bottom right of the page. Press spacebar to start and stop the lucky draw.